So here we are, we're going to show you how to install the Gladiator soft top headliners. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to put these little hooks in. Now every Gladiator it has these little screws that hold this molding on. It is a T25 star bit. So you're going to remove it, and there's 7 down each or 6 down each side you're going to do. Take it out, put it in the hook. It seems like it doesn't go through, but if you just spin a little bit, it goes right through. Stick it back in. There you got your hook. I've already installed these. Like I said, there's 6 down each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's 2 in the back corner back here, if you can see in there. And you're going to do the same thing with each one. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to put those. Okay, so with your headliner, you're going to get this little piece that goes in the back. It just kind of hides everything, holds the back up a little bit since there's no bar. Now your Gladiator is going to come with these 2 snaps right here, one right here and one right here, already attached. Okay, you're going to have to put 2 more in. They're self-tapping. This is very soft stuff. So all you got to do is take this piece that already has the snaps in it, snap the 2 ends in, so then it's set. Then you can just flip this up and you can see exactly where to put a little pencil mark, and then pop this off. Take your screw gun with your self-tapper. Be careful you don't slip off of this and go into that. So take your time, go nice and slow. Like I said, I've already put these in. You're just going to screw them right in like that. That one and that one. Okay, so we have all our hooks in. We have our back snaps in. Here we have our headliner. It's going to come with these bungees already attached to it. So if we just throw it up inside here, the back seat, jump up in, you don't have to remove any, put your top down or anything. Now you want to get it oriented right. This is the front, so I need to spin it around. And just take the front and slide it right over the roll bar. Want to hang it about halfway over, get it about right there. Climb out. The first place we should hook, grab this first set of bungees right here. They go right up over the top of the bar, the roll bar. And just hook it on one bungee. It's ultimately going to hook on both, but just hook it on one. We're on the other side now. Here's the bungee. It's going to go right up over the top of the roll bar. Now on this one we can hook both sides. From this point it's probably easiest. Jump in here, put that down. You'll notice the front of this has this little bead. It's going to just slide right up there, right inside, and just pops right in, right over that lip. It holds it in nice and tight. Okay. Okay, now there's one more single bungee right here. You're going to slide it right up over the top. Use your finger to hook it. And this one is going to come around and hook here. But let's hook it here first. Hook it, and then when we put this on, it locks it on. So we're like that. Going to come around the back. The back ones are probably the hardest to get, but you can still, you stick your hand right up over the top of the roll bar, grab it, and just pull it down. You'll be able to see the other side when I do that. This one, you're just going to reach in. I'm using this hand to slide it underneath the actual frame at the top and over the top of the roll bar. Once you get it, you just hook it right in your bungees. Okay, stay right there and you'll be able to. So this is what we were doing on this side. I'm taking this, sliding it over the top, grabbing it with this hand, pulling it, and hooking it on that one and that one. And I'm taking this one, hook, hook. See, that's not, now we're going to put the little back flap in a second. It's going to tighten that up. I'm going to take the other single one and hook it just like I did on the other side. Pull it through, pull around, hook on this hook, and then take this other loop and go right over the top of it. Locks it in. So now your top's basically all in place. You could drive it like that. It'd be totally fine without putting this back piece in. The back piece just holds it a little more solid and hides this up in here. Okay, so here's our little back piece. Now don't get confused where the way you put the snaps on. The snaps don't go this way with it hanging down. They go this way with it up. So all you're going to do is go ahead, snap it on the snaps first. It's easiest probably if you do the two ends. Snap right in the center, and then this little flap here, it's got a little ridge that you can grab onto on this Velcro. And all you're going to do is just lay it up here and just kind of pull it down. Super easy. It doesn't have to stick hard at all. Just pull it down, pull it up. And that's basically it. Snap. And it kind of hides all that, holds this up. See how it's more solid now? And that is it. Can you shine that kind of back up in there and see? Now it hides all that backspace right there and looks really nice and finished. And that's it. Your full soft top is in. It probably takes 3 or 4 minutes once you know how to do it easily, if not less.